Oh, did it? What is it? 1380. Right, go on, now turn it round. Well, here we are. It's gone. We've got the grab service. It's taken about 18 ton, Jack. About 18 ton. Yeah, about 18 ton has taken away. Hopefully, I don't know exactly. Maybe 16. I'm not quite sure. But it's gone. It's finished. It's out of here. What we got to try and do? Have a look over here. We got to try and save those beech trees there, those bushes there, and I don't know. It's going to be a difficult one because you start losing the soil around the root system. They're going to die. We've got a little area here where we could put them. But maybe we'll scoop them up. But what we've got to watch along here, we're right next to the path, and we've got to make sure that we don't hit any services. If you have a look over here, I'm going to turn the camera around now. I'm going to be coming over here now. Jack's just putting the dumpy level away. And over here now, we're going to go back on here with the machine, and we're going to start scraping this off the sub base, trying to reduce the level a little bit so we can put a decent lean mix on top. We want a decent lean mix. So we can break this up in the process. There's nothing wrong with recycling products. This was expensive product as the sub base goes because it was full of cement, so that's not going to go anywhere at all. So we're going to come over, we're going to scrape this off, and then we're going to give it a good compaction. But all in all, Jacko, have we had a good day? Yeah, we have. Thank you very much. It's this time of the day where you sit down, you have a cup of coffee, and you get to learn about the people that you work with. And next to me is a young man over here. His name's Kyle. And Kyle, what do we know about you? Can you tell us a little bit about yourself? Do you want to save the world?
No.
We're not going to get a lot out of Carl because he is known as Jack said earlier on, as a snowflake. I can't believe that he'd even say that he was a snowflake. See, look, there's Jack over there, look, just laughing and giggling. He's not in denial, but they're looking at their phones. Unlike me, I'm not looking at my phone. I'm looking at the camera of the phone, just a part of the phone. Just stop for a moment now, and it's amazing, really, isn't it, when we look at this area here and how we had that big pile of soil there yesterday, and we went over that beech edge. All right, a couple of branches got broke, but it's in good shape, and we put the boards down, we put the sheet down. There is a little bit of, it does want a bit of a wash down now, but we got out on a dry day and it's away. So it doesn't matter whether you're doing, you know, a commercial project or even a DIY project, you know, don't let it beat you. You know, when there's times when it looks as if it's impossible, you just gotta plow on with it, and you know, and just don't panic, but try and choose your days wisely. I'm trying to level ground off on here now so that if it does rain, we can stay off it and it's leveled off a little bit more, gradually, bit by bit, each day. We're not going to be laying any grass on here for a while, simply because we're going to be getting on with that and preparing our sub base. We've recycled a lot of the old hardcore, and it's worked. It's absolutely solid. It's not going to go anywhere at all. You'll see on one of the previous videos I was able to drive the digger across that porcelain paving, and you know, we do make sure that our paving is put in correctly. So we're going to get on and continue with that sub base this morning, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit of that in time lapse. Come on, get it going.